Away we go, taking you on the bus trip here real quick for the kids that are heading out. You're looking at 64 degrees to start in Eau Claire, and you're holding on to at least some mostly sunny skies with partly cloudy skies coming back in the later portion of the day. Then we'll go into La Crosse. So we'll give you the 85 degree. You want to see that because it's going to be warm. We get to La Crosse, though, you're looking at 63 degrees to start this morning. A little cooler than up in Eau Claire right now, believe it or not. We're going to flip the script, though, in the afternoon. 88 degrees for your high today, and you're looking at least some partly cloudy skies to finish out your afternoon. That being said, the radar is kind of dry right now, not seeing much on it, but hot and humid conditions, or I should say hot conditions. Humid comes later on in the week. We're going to see warm conditions to finish out the work week, and once we get into the weekend, we'll slowly but surely start to change things up. In fact, local temperatures will start to cool down somewhat as we go into Friday, and then possibly continuing on into the weekend, into early next week. That being said, we take a gander here what's happening on. We've got the hot conditions on right now. As we get into it, we've got the hot and humid and rainy conditions down to the south, all the way into the Gulf. We'll get into warm for tomorrow, believe it or not, and we're just a couple of degrees difference or so. And this will continue all the way for the work week, going right into, again, as I mentioned on Thursday, the possibility of some rainfall sneaking into the picture. And there it is. Rainfall kind of comes in the overnight hours. We sneak in back into Monday, and some of that may come back again and haunt us with some more rainfall, possibly in the form of scattered showers for those 2 days. And eventually, once we get into the weekend, we could see some storm activity starting to sneak in, first with showers, then coming into storms, possibly get into Sunday. Water vapor imagery, not much going on, but the drier air is still holding on. We can take a look here. This is a potential tropical storm 8 that may be making a move for the South Carolina coast, possibly getting into the northern portion of that in the northeast there. We'll keep an eye, I mean the northeast of the state, by the way, so that means we'll keep an eye on that for you. And that means humidity coming our way once we get deeper into the week. That being said, we're holding on to, again, the slowly but surely clouds billowing in from the south, and of course some of that moisture still holding on from the remnant moisture from the Gulf. And again, we're holding on to at least this going on all through the remainder of the day, and this will go into the evening as well. Looking at highs today, mostly in the 80s widespread across the board. We'll get into the zone factor here. You'll see these temperatures holding on to sunshine for everybody today, and we'll get at least to partly cloudy skies with increasing clouds maybe as we get into the evening hours and overnight. That being said, take a gander as we take a good look. 88 degrees for La Crosse. We'll get to the north zone. You're looking at Eau Claire, possibly getting to around 85 or so. And then once we go into how this all plays out for the next few days, 87 for Tuesday, Wednesday, 85 degrees. You notice everybody's dry, even on Thursday during the day. Then we'll take it into how this all plays out over the next several days. And you'll see temperatures from the upper 80s to the middle 80s to finish out the work week. 80s as we get into at least by Saturday, 75 for Sunday, going into Monday with cooler conditions and showers and storms. Back to you.